shoot me down. Bang, 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 bang. Burning us, murderous feeling. Who's gonna love me now? Bang, 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 bang.
Hey everybody, welcome to Ariella Amor. So today I'm going to teach you how to do 3 things when it comes to attending a baby shower. 1, that's how to re-gift. 2, that's how to add a personalized gift. And 3, how to gift give in general. So let's begin. So when it comes to re-gifting, what I mean by that is this is Huggies Pampers. They are newborns. Now, if you look inside of there, you'll see that there are new Pampers and there are Pampers that we did not use. So how I re-gifted them is I went to the dollar store, I purchased 5-gallon Ziploc bags, and I placed our unused, pretty much untouched for the most part, we touched them to put them inside of these bags, diapers, into those 5-gallon bags. Now this is how you re-gift. We didn't use any of these newborn Pampers. We have pretty much a whole box full, and I mean a lot of Pampers that we didn't use. Enough to make 2 whole 5-gallon Ziploc bags. So what we're gonna do is put them inside of that box nice and neatly because they fit, and we're going to re-gift them. Now, as you can see, those re-gifted Pampers, or Huggies I should say, fit pretty well inside of this box. So we can go ahead and I'm gonna take this box up. So when they open it, they'll pretty much see that, yeah, some of them are re-gifted, but look how nice and neat they are. And as for the other ones, they don't fit inside of any of the boxes. So putting them in this bag with a little bow will be just fine and super cute. It's thoughtful, and I think honestly that it's good for the environment. So why not? And rest assured, we're not just giving these re-gifted Huggies at all. You don't really know what brand people like, so I'm giving a whole new box of the Huggies, and I'm also going to give a small little bag of the Pampers. Whichever they prefer, they'll have both from us, at least, huh? So overall, they're getting 2 boxes of the Huggies, one of them half including re-gifted Pampers. They're getting a whole re-gifted bag of the Huggies inside of there, or they could be Pampers, honestly, and they're getting a new bag of the Pampers. So that's a lot of diapers that we're giving, and they're all newborn. Now, what I meant by personalization is something that I actually created, and I'll be including the video either on this one or I'll do a secondary video. Let me think on that. But I went and purchased this little frame from the dollar store. I used my acrylic paint and my purchase from Amazon, and I created this. Now you can put your own picture inside of there, obviously. This is a generic photo that it comes with, but I put the Disney little castle on there and my cousin's baby shower. She's naming her son Dawson, and plus I put Mickey Mouse. It was very simple, it's very cute, and I hope she'll love it, honestly. So this is the personalization that I was talking about. Now what's kind of cool is while I was shopping, I found something that can go along with that Mickey Mouse or Disney theme. Now this is for the gifting part. We're going to have this cute snuggly blanket go along with that Mickey Mouse theme. I'll be wrapping these tonight. What I've learned as a parent myself is that you'll need plenty of washcloths. So I got them. It's going to be a baby boy. So these are blue with little whales and stuff. So cute. And then, oh my gosh, an experience I loved to death. I loved it. Was making our belly cast when I was pregnant. So I got my cousin a belly cast because it is so memorable. I'm actually going to include how my belly cast came out in this video, just so you can see. I mean, I have to show you how it came out because it is sick. It is sick.
Baby, I wish that you give me the chance. Just own me and love me romance. You know that.
Just got some pacifier holders because that was one thing that was on her baby registry as I checked out. Another thing I'm actually thinking about getting tomorrow is something that I have and I use all the time at home. It's literally attached to my couch right now, and that is a boppy. I literally cannot live without these things. And it's crazy because my big cousin gave me this one, and now as my cousin's big cousin, coincidentally, I'm gonna give her a boppy too. So I will go get that tomorrow. What I did as well, what I'll be wrapping tonight, is just got some, it says baby boy and giggles and all type of cute stuff. So I got this gift wrap. I've got some Christmas colored looking bows, but I love to put bows on everything. When I give a present, I give gift wrap and bows and a bag. Speaking of the bag, I have got my handy dandy welcome to the world, baby. I've got the bag here, so I'll be doing everything tonight. Just wanted to make a vid on how you can do all these things for someone's baby shower, honestly, to include all of those gifts inside of there. And then, last but not least, is I've actually got 2 cards because the gifts are coming from not just myself. So one of the cards here, I love giving cards, I love giving balloons, I love giving gifts. I am just a giver. If I receive, I don't care. I love to give. So yeah, that's the second card as well. I'm so excited for my cousin and her fiance. Oh my gosh, because being a new parent myself, it is just a blessing. It's a blessing from the Lord. I love my baby girl, and I honestly can't wait to have more children. So I'm just excited for this whole world of parenthood. I'm excited to welcome my younger cousin inside of it, honestly. So yes, that is how you can do all of those 3 things pertaining to gift giving. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. I love how everything came out. Like I told you, I love to wrap gifts. I love to give gifts. So I hope that she really loves everything. I'm excited for her baby shower. It's actually tomorrow. So yes, excited. So yeah, finally I can go to bed. It's probably like 2 o'clock in the morning right now because I'm suffering from momsomnia, but I'm just happy because I can't go to sleep when I have so many things on my mind. So yes, this is one more task completed.
Never want anyone to bring you any harm, and I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who we were and who we are. We are.
Don't think you cared about me,
Oh girl, I care about you.
but you don't care about nobody.
Nobody but you.
Don't think you care